Hi everybody. Today I got my Glam Bag X. They should call this Glam Box because it comes in a box. But I also have one add-on in here. And I do know what's in here because Ipsy always sends you an email that shows you what's coming. And there are 3 items that I was able to choose for myself. Okay. Here's what the box looks like. Open. So I'll start with my add-on. What I chose to add on was the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This retails for like $85 in the stores, and they had it for, I think it was $18 or something. It was a huge discount, so I decided to go ahead and get it. I had a deluxe sample of this at one time, and I really enjoyed it, but when I went to check the price, I said, okay, I guess I can live without that. But this time, I was able to get it. Okay, now on to the box. This is my first Glam Bag X. I've gotten the regular little bag for a long time now, but I've never got the Glam Bag X. It comes with a big paper with information about all the products and the person who curated it, Khloe Kardashian. Okay, last time it was Patrick Ta, and I don't know who's going to curate it next time. I'm not even sure if I'll get it next time, but if I do, it will be exciting to see who is the next curator. The reason that I decided to sign up for the X was when I saw that it had Olaplex #0 in it. Of course, I could have just spent $28 and got the Olaplex, but there were other things in here that I was hoping to get to, so I went ahead and got the #0 because I do use this once a week. And combined with the #3, it's really helped my hair a lot. My hair is a lot healthier, a lot less breakage and everything, so this is the reason that I went ahead and jumped on the bandwagon for Ipsy X. Okay. The other thing that I was able to choose was this Kopari CBD Recovery Balm. I wanted to try this because I heard that CBD oil and stuff like that is really good for aching joints or other little aches and pains. So I wanted to try it. This tiny little jar retails for $45. So of course I was not going to buy it on its own. But in the box, you know, you get everything in the box for $55. So it comes out to be a lot less expensive that way. It's sealed. But I'm curious about this. I've never had any CBD body cream or anything like that. Oh, it has a strong smell. A strong green smell. Okay. So I guess it does have CBD in it. All right. And the third thing that I chose for myself was this Rose Quartz Gua Sha facial massager or facial toner, something like that. It's supposed to help sculpt, you know. Okay, it comes with this little pouch to store it in. And it's wrapped in here, I assume. It's this beautiful rose quartz color, like my nails. I got this effect by mixing clear and pink polygel together when I did my nails last time. And it turned out like this. It looks like rose quartz. But anyway, this is, you know, you use it to like firm up your jawline and things like that. I thought I'd give it a try. And store it in here. That's nice. The rest of the stuff in here was curated by Khloe Kardashian for the Ipsy customers. So for me, well, actually for everyone got the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Everybody received this. I'm not sure if this is skincare or a makeup item. I'll have to read all the details. But that's it right there. I won't open it because I have so much glow stuff and highlighters and serums and all that kind of stuff. So I'll just keep this sealed for now. It might end up becoming a gift. All right. The next thing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen. I don't think I have any Anastasia brow products. I have a lot of brow products, but I don't know if I have any from this company. Got the shade Dark Brown. Let me see. There it is. That is a shade that I'll use. So that's good. That works out. And then I got this. Oh, it's already open. Tower 28. This is a lip gloss. And I have the shade Cashew. Looks like it might be pink. I don't know. There's the shade Cashew. Has a very light scent, but nothing unpleasant or overpowering. There it is. It's almost sheer on me, but it feels good on my hand. I'm looking forward to trying it on my lips. It feels really smooth and nice. So I think I'll enjoy this. And from Rhode Isle, I got the Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm, which I do like cleansing balms. They make taking your makeup off a lot easier. With today's makeup, soap and water just will not cut it. You need something to dissolve it first. And that's where cleansing balms come in. It's sealed. I have a couple of them open already, so I won't open this right now. And then the final product is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Modern Renaissance palette. I know there was a choice of this palette, the Patrick Star palette, or the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. So I would have been glad to get either one of those. So I'm fine with this. It has this pretty velvet cover. Let me see the shadows. I've never seen this eyeshadow palette in person. Just like on Sephora and stuff like that. Oh. The colors look really pretty. Looking at pictures of it, I thought it would be mostly light colors that I would never use. But looking at it in person, I think most of them I'll use, especially this part right here. I'll use these. And maybe some of the shimmer shades over here. But yes, I do like it. It's pretty. Let me swatch a couple of them. I'll swatch these two right here, just because I'm curious how they would look on my skin. Oh, looks like they have a lot of color to them. I didn't expect that. Oh yeah, I can definitely wear this. Okay, swatch these two browns just above it right here. See what they look like. Okay, not bad. I'm surprised by this. I didn't think I would really want to use this palette, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm happy with it. I think I'll like it. Let me try these last two on the end here. See what they look like. Wow. It does have a lot of pigment to it. Okay. All right. So I will get some enjoyment out of this after all. That was a pleasant surprise. Okay, so overall, I'm pleased with this box. I wasn't sure if I would be, but I am. For the May Ipsy Glam Bag X, I got Olaplex number 0. I got Kopari CBD Recovery Balm. My third choice was the Rose Quartz Gua Sha Facial Tool. And then my curated items were the 111 Skin, the Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm, the Tower 28 Lip Gloss in Cashew, and from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I got the Brow Pen and the Modern Renaissance Palette, which was a very pleasant surprise. Let me know if you got Glam Bag X this time, and what do you think of it? For me, I think it was worth it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.